Hey there, Adventure Seekers. Long time no see. Thanks for tuning in to this video, at least. I know it's been about 200 days since we last posted a video, and probably a long time for the one previous to that. And I just want to apologize for that, first of all, mainly because we kind of taken not really a change or a shift, so to speak, but God has put a different course in our GPS for us to take at the moment, and we're going to talk about that in just a second. Right now, we are stationary for a few months. Obviously, we're still in the RV. I haven't sold that, have no intention to sell that, have no intention to come off the road right now permanently either. But why we are off the road for right now, we've been off the road for almost a month and a half. And the reason being is I am pastoring a church in Washington State, in Ocean Park, Washington. I am an interim pastor here. I signed up and became a missionary with an organization called Village Missions about 6 months ago, and they have assigned me to this place here, which recently lost their pastor. And so I'm just here filling in until a new full-time pastor can come along and take over. And then I will do whatever the Lord tells me to do, wherever that may be, whether it be go to another church or just travel for a little while or whatever. So that's what we're doing right now. So right now we are in Ocean Park, Washington. It is pretty nice here. It reminds me a lot of where I grew up in Beaufort, North Carolina, except it's colder and rainier. I told everybody when I got here that it felt weird when I made that turn, because we are on a peninsula. We made that turn onto the peninsula and started heading up towards Ocean Park, that I heard seagulls. You could hear the waves crashing from the Pacific Ocean, and I saw people working on mending nets. I saw fishing boats. I saw crab pots. I'm like, this is just like home. And then I opened the door, and I had shorts and flip-flops on. I'm like, this is not like home. It was really cold. And so, but we're having a good time here. We're very grateful that the Lord's put us here, and we're doing a lot of good, I hope. I think we are, at least. And we will be, here as long as He wants us to be. Now, if you want to kind of keep up with how the pastoring's going, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the church that I'm currently pastoring. That's Ocean Park Community Church in Ocean Park, Washington. How convenient is that, right? And they do live stream their services on Facebook and YouTube every Sunday, and so you can tune in there, or you can watch the replay depending on what fits your schedule best. So I'd appreciate it if you check out those links and give them a like and a follow as well. And if you have any questions about what we're doing and where we may be going next, let me know. If you have any questions about where Shelly is, well, she's not here right now. She is actually out shopping because she is getting ready to go on a trip, leaving tomorrow, a day earlier, because than she had planned, because the I keep getting text messages from her, actually. But she is going to a conference for travel advisors. She's been a travel advisor now for over a year, and she's enjoying that. It's just something that for her to do, to have some fun and make a little money on the side. And so she's going to be going to a conference for a week. So pray for me and Talon as we try to deal with life with out without Shelly around. Talon is doing well. She just turned 11 at the end of August, and she's still full of energy and having a good time. She absolutely loves the church here. I've never seen anything like it. Whenever we get to the parking lot, she's just raring to get out of the car. As soon as I open the door, I have to hold her back before I can put her vest on or put the lead on her. She just wants to go. And whenever I'm in the office during the week, I usually don't have the vest on because it's just me there. She's just everywhere. She just loves it. She just loves being in that building, which is weird because she's never been that way in any other church before. So I'm very happy that she's happy. And so that's what's going on with us. And again, thank you for your support in this endeavor. And if you'd like to help us out with our missionary efforts, I'm going to drop a link below to our Village Missions profile where you can donate as well, either to us directly or to Village Missions, your choice. Or if you go to the Ocean Park Community Church pages, then you can also donate to them as well if the Lord leads you to do that. If you've never heard of Village Missions, they're an organization that provides pastors to small rural churches throughout the United States and Canada. These are places that without Village Missions, they probably wouldn't have a church at all, because they are just small congregations, not a lot of resources usually. And so Village Missions coming along just to help spread that word of God in this country. So I appreciate any help you guys can provide to Village Missions to help them spread that word here in this country, in addition to any other giving and help you do to spread the word of God and the love of God throughout all the world. So thank you guys so much for watching, and may your next adventure be an epic one, because this has been pretty epic for us. Thanks for watching. Bye.